Ngabasetyhini abayi-240,000 abaphakathi kweminyaka eli-15 yokutsho kwiminyaka engama-24 abosuleleka intsholongwane kaGawulayo minyaka le. Nangona zikhona iipilisi zokuthintela ukosuleleka komntu yile ntsholongwane, i-prophylaxis, baninzi abathatha le pilisi rhoqo kodwa isebenza kuphela xa ubane ithatha rhoqo kungekho phazamiseko kwiintsuku umntu ayithatha ngazo. Kwabasetyhini abaninzi kukho imingeni eliqela kule nkqubo.
Taking an injection 8 weekly is far easier for many women than taking a pill a day, and overcome some of the challenges that they've experienced, which are both related to just the habit of taking a pill a day and remembering to take a pill a day, but also the social pressures that come with having bottles of pills around, and people assuming that they're sexually active, assuming that they may be HIV positive. Injections are discreet, they fit into women's lives, and so this is why we think we've seen such an impressive effect of cabotegravir.
Uphando lwakutshanje lubonisa ukuba ukutofwa kanye kwisithuba seveki ezisibhozo ngenaliti yechiza lokuthintela ugawulayo kusebenza ngcono ekuthinteleni lentsholongwane kunokuthatha ipilisi mihla le. Olu phando luqhutywe kwabasetyhini abangaphaya kwama-3,000 abangenayo lentsholongwane kumazwe asixhenxe kwilizwekazi iAfrika kwisithuba seentsuku ezimbini.
We believe that antiretrovirals are very effective in preventing HIV infection. The challenge with Truvada is that it relies on consistent daily pill taking. And we've seen that particularly with women, there's not a lot of forgiveness, that if people miss a pill a day, it can reduce drug levels and it can make them more susceptible to HIV infection. And in fact, this is what we saw in the early placebo-controlled trials, where women were not able to take a pill a day, and therefore we didn't see prevention in women. So the reason that this result is so exciting is, number one, that we've seen such low levels of HIV infection in both populations, suggesting that both products work, but that cabotegravir is far superior to Truvada in preventing infection. And we think that's because of the adherence advantage that it confers.
Ezisibhozo zibaluleke kakhulu kwabasetyhini ingakumbi kweli lizwekazi leAfrika.
This is a major breakthrough, as you've heard from Sinead, that there are many, there are additional scientific and clinical questions that we still have to answer. So we're not looking at something that's going to be available immediately. But clearly this is going to be fast-tracked both from the clinical research point of view and the manufacturing side. Because access to this for a country like ours, with such high numbers of infected young women and new infections every year, it could be a game changer.
A very remarkable day and achievement, and I'm very proud of the excellent work done by my colleagues in playing a key role in not only just pushing the frontiers of the mind, as I mentioned earlier, but also in making lives of ordinary women and children improve. I think the role of research-intensive universities is to do that.
Kulindeleke ukuba kuqhutywe olunye uphando phambi kokuba lenaliti yeli chiza inikwe uluntu.